What's up, guys? Welcome back. Let's talk some crypto and let's get into Shiba Inu and kind of one of the exciting moves we're seeing within a huge whale within the Shib ecosystem. One of the early on Shib adopters. I want to get into kind of what they're doing right now and share with you guys those numbers because, quite frankly, as we get into the midweek, this has been very, very impressive. So I want to talk to you guys about it right here, right now. If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and let's get down into it. Okay, so. This is how we're going to start our day with neiro on Ethereum. The first neiro on Ethereum having a 127% increase on the day. Right now sitting at a $352 million market cap. And then also two of the other cryptos that have had a lot of success being listed on Binance. That will be the likes of Turbo and Baby Doge. They're seeing big gains here on the daily. And you can see kind of what I'm talking about. They are leading the top three right now, moving as these cryptos continue to ascend within market caps due to that Binance listing. Okay, now what's important to understand is those are the top 100 or top 200 cryptos. If we go into the top 100, you can see Shiba Inu here. We are down 1.3%, trading at 40132. And for Shib, this is what's important to understand is this is kind of just where we're going to look at these meme coins just hanging back into the balance. All right, we need to get to the point where we have some clarity and, quite frankly, a little less of these new ones coming about. And as Shib is down 1.3% currently on the charts, you have to understand that it's been a pretty much flat month. I haven't had this in a while where down almost 1% on the week, down almost 1% on the month, and we are down 1% on the day. Okay, but Shiba Inu looking to get back above that 403 level. That would be very, very much instrumental to that next push up. That would represent pretty much where we are at right now, almost a 2.5 to 3.5 x from here. Okay, but let's get down into what I came here to talk to you about. This is where I wanted to segue into that talk about the first neiro on base. I'm sorry, the first neiro on Ethereum, where this buyer that made $145 million in Shiba Inu has bought a neiro with 1,003 ETH. So way to just make that a little bit tick up and not a full 1,000 Ethereum when making that transaction. But this was an early on Shib investor, okay, most notably into Fetch AI and neiro on ETH. That's where they're looking to get into some kind of make some moves to get back some of the recent losses they've been experiencing within kind of what we're seeing within Shib. But this is the biggest thing right now coming out from Spot on Chain that you guys need to take home from this. $2.31 million, okay, in the last hour. This is absolutely fantastic. So there have been two of his recent three trades included a neiro ETH and second Shib's trade, and those have not been successful. So it appears to me that we have a Shib Whale that's highly involved within what neiro's doing. This is something where, though, if you make $145 million between Shib trades in 2001 to 2022, that's kind of where you have the money to do so. But that's something where crypto, as we all know, is very volatile. It can fluctuate on a drop of a hat. But I just wanted to kind of share with you guys kind of what's happening because two of the current tradings right now have been into Fetch AI and into neiro on ETH. But this is something where 16% of that wallet is made up from Fetch, and you can look at kind of where neiro and neiro on ETH positions are. We're looking at 2.3 almost and 1.3 respectively in the millions. So kind of crazy to put in perspective. That is something where this is an ETH whale, this is a Shib whale, and when you talk about what neiro is doing, this is where I always talk to you guys. Follow the whales, follow the money. And it seems to be whether it's first neiro on ETH or just the original neiro, these positions for this whale, definitely believing in that. So wonder if they have some kind of involvement within that project as well. Time will tell, but it really doesn't matter. That's the beauty of crypto. It's all anonymous for the most part. And just kind of as we wake up today and we look at Shiba Inu on the chart, and you kind of feel this lagging price action, right? We're just downward trending. That's where I think the biggest problem is too with Shib is we're getting into all of these meme coins, okay? And this trader here is probably going to make millions of dollars off of riding this pump of seeing the first neiro on ETH come about. And you can't really deny that. I mean, why not? All right, if you're going to be able to make this move and you can cause this chart to pump the way it's doing and get all the FOMO, and then you all of a sudden, boom, now we have a top 200 crypto in market cap and we shed a zero. yeah, that's an easy move, and this is where you can see right now this swap for 1,003 Ethereum is just absolutely nuts. Okay, and I think there's a little bit more to the story. Kind of weird how the original Neiro kind of fell a lot as well, but this video is not about Neiro. It's about looking into Shiba Inu and kind of finding out why a Shib Whale is kind of leaving some Shib on the table and getting into other meme coins out there. That's kind of the biggest storyline too, because I just don't think that is necessarily a representation on bad performance and form by Shib's team, but they could be doing more so that people aren't doing this. Okay, I know it's the market, but hey, if you're able to come up with a meme coin in about a month and then boom, all of a sudden you get 18,000%, and people are attracted to it, what has happened? Why have we fell short with Bone and with Treat and all of the Shib ecosystem tokens, right? Just doesn't all add up. So these are Shib Whales getting in the other meme coins. Treat what they could be doing and an announcement from that. That'd be very interesting. But just if you guys are into the meme coin space, keep an eye on First Neiro on Ethereum, because it looks like they're set for a pump this weekend. Okay, but not financial advice, just giving you guys my thoughts. I wanted to track these transactions a little bit. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing on your way out, and we will see you all in the next video. Cheers.